Hi, this is Scott. I've got a Math PE problem for you, one that's kind of physical fitness based. And what I'm really interested in is if I had a runner that ran 5.12 miles and that runner did it in 45 minutes and 24 seconds, what was his average pace per mile? Like how long did it take for him to run these each mile of this particular run? And so what we need to do is we need to figure that out. And how we're going to do that is we've got to get everything together kind of all in the same general style. We need it to be the same. Right now we have a decimal for miles. We have minutes and seconds for our time. And we need everything to be in a decimal. We need our units to all be the same. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to figure out what 45 minutes, 24 seconds is as a decimal. The 45 I don't have to worry about. The 45 is okay because that's the amount of time that I'm talking about. He's fine. What I'm concerned with is the seconds part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 24 here and I'm going to think about this in terms of minutes. How many seconds are in a minute? And there's 60. So I need to know what decimal of minutes is this 24. Like how can I change that around? And what I can do is I can just look at and basically an average. So I'm going to take 24 and I'm going to divide it by 60. And when I take 24 and divide it by 60, this will give me a decimal point for the number of seconds that's equivalent to 24 seconds. So I'm going to pull that up on my calculator and I'm going to punch it in. That equals 0.40. So the new number that I'm working with, instead of 45 minutes and 24 seconds, I'm actually going to work with 45 minutes, but instead of 24 seconds now, I'm going to have 45.40 minutes. That's what I'm going to work with, 45.40. I'm making my decimal a little bigger. Now, if I want to figure out what my average pace was for this particular runner, now I can do this 45 minutes and 45 minutes and 24 seconds converted to decimal, which is 45.40 minutes. And I can do it now into a mile. And this is going to give me my miles and my minutes, which are the units that I need for this particular problem. So what do I do next? I simply do 45.40 and I divide that by 5.12. So I'm going to punch that into my calculator. And I get 8.867. 8.867 what? Miles per minute. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.